Hello students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and watching videos. So kids, as I said in last video, today we're going to start with the chapter 3 that is about the animal world. It's very interesting chapter. I believe that many of you love animals and birds. So here in this chapter, we're going to learn about the animals, like their feeding habits, what they eat, how they get food, etc. Clear? Well, in this chapter, we're going to focus on 5 main points. In the screen, I have shown you there are 5 main points which going to cover in this chapter. We will able to tell the difference between the herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous animals. What are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous? I will teach you in next video. We shall also able to identify the ways in which animals eat food. It means how they get the food, how they consume, what from where all the animals get food, that we will learn. Okay, in the upcoming videos. We shall also able to explain how to take care of domestic animals. As we're going to learn about the animals, so taking care of animals is also a very important thing. So we will learn in detail. Food chain, very important thing. The concept food chain is very important. And how the plants and animals depend on each other. These all are the main features which we are going to learn in chapter 3. Well, in today's session, we will learn to identify the ways in which animals eat food. So before I start today's video, kids, open your MyPedia app, come to chapter number 3, first page. You will be able to see iConnect. Are you getting that? In the screen you can see here. As we are surrounded by many animals and birds. You might be seeing sparrow, pigeon, buffalo, cow, dog, donkey, etc. Camel. So list any 3 names in your rough book, any 3 animals or birds name in your rough book, and also write what they eat. Just for example, cow, what they eat grass, right? Another thing what we wrote that you have to write down. Clear, my dear? Okay kids, now tell me one thing. How our body gets energy? The very first class I had taught you about this. Yes, very good. Our body gets energy from the food they eat. Now tell me one thing. Why our body needs energy? Yes, our body needs energy to perform various activities. Understood? Today you are able to listen this. Today you are able to learn. I am able to teach you. And in our day to day we are doing many activities. That all things are possible only because our body is having energy, and that energy we get from the food we eat. Now tell me one thing, where do animals get energy? Yes, animals get energy from the food they eat. As human body is getting energy from the food they eat, similarly animals also get energy from the food they eat. Right? Have you thought about it? Do animals cook their food? From where they get the food? We know that plants can make their own food. So whether animals cook their food? No, animals can't make their food. They were depend on animals and plants. Like you can see, there are some animals they were depend on like plant as well as animals, right? For example, human, we are also animals. So we are drinking milk and we are eating vegetables also. So there are certain plants and animals, they depend on plants and animals. In the next class dear, I am going to teach you the feeding habit, that is the food, what were also food they were eating, the feeding habit of animals which we are going to learn. Clear? So today we have just learned that animals need energy, and that energy they are getting from the food they eat. There are different animals and all the animals consuming different types of food. Like cow eat grass, whether lion eat grass? No. So each and every animals having different types of food. So these all things the feeding habit which we will learn in the coming videos. Understood? Till then, bye bye. See you.